And our service no woman in your short service. Quality, not quantity. Say yes short. Obia beba sorry. Any shorter. Obia beba sorry. So I'm pleading with to all the pastors and
hello abusha for minim say weda do munyina mo hoye be de ncha sonko ebra munyina video we yenu be ma Asamoah Gyan na oka say minim say futu senso suggestion or whatever it is na odema asofo na o kire mu say ebeya anka omonte long services na ya no mo ye no Sundays no ana say enwumre nso a na omomfamra just 1.5 hour pe na eno no omunya no quality na intimi mwa na motivate amanfo no omuntimi emra asori because say oba asori na ucha emma amanfo motivation say omomra asori say okan no respectfully wan kano ewo me fan say ekwan a kire say bia odi abufuo ana say odi arrogance bi na eka I think say the suggestion a odi ma enti no if this is the first time I oba me channel isu abomodi na subscribe to me channel ma me na like video yi na share na drop your opinion so na mitimi nhwe bibi emfri ho na I will give my comment at the end of the video no ntino audio stay through to the end na I will give my opinion. Thank you.
And our service no woman in your short service. Quality, not quantity. Say yes short. Obia beba sorry. Any shorter. Obia beba sorry. So I'm pleading with to all the pastors and Obia our country bia and say sorry no money is short. We are shorter quality. Spiritual quality. Ubet me ye bibia within 1 hour 30 minutes. About this apple obi crap or sorry on him say sorry with the enche. Obeba. That is where you get members to come listen to the wisdom. But yet too much very boring. What's a video na me no kasa no cramp no yeah boring. It's my mom quality song. My mom quality song na be free. No won't be anya bibia kofi. That's it. Nti de me penyum a ebe wi na ayefe. That's how it is. You don't have to bore the audience and other church members. Minister we go for pay we pa enti mi bo we na mi dey come bye bye. Let's go. Just a bebo. Last one no we because I will see you next week Sunday. You know I love this song. Yeah. That's the last song. Yeah. I'm done.
Sunday school nko abefa 1 hour. Maybe a praise and worship and so after me fan said 30-40 minutes and I said 1 hour. Na message no any preaching any praying ministering to people praying for the sick and also offer another 1 hour. Most of the churches now media me used to no 3 hours and a yeko about the same you be me if you say no what 1.5 hour na bit me aboa sorry I'm sorry etimi anyini. What do you think say Emma no to me ekasa idea na office bema na tima kasa and I said dia na bema enipa bebre a omo Ghana no they say sorry call ehudo free and I say free omomo na they don't feel say omo kotena sorry dem obium. I know say them can Asamoah Gyan one kind of disrespectfully. I mean if you are honest and sincere you could tell say it is coming from a sincere heart. Me not sure say be or any malice and I say any evil intention. But he is speaking as a carnal person. I say on yes spiritually inclined as a Christian. And you know, the officer humanly possible. And I say humanly speaking, no futu as I say or the ebra so for no on officer or the ebra mono. But that is not going to work. It is not going to work because the church operates by a different set of rules. Now you and I Christopher no. Say we are so for and I say you do for any idea. Say yan sorry nyina amfa entomapa emfra and I say yan fa entomapa emfra na yan restore the image of the church now. We are going to have similar submissions, similar comments coming from people mo fi say o kwa sorry akotena hot 3 hours maybe a Sunday no a waste of time. Now I want to say this to Asamoah Gyan. Me nua be ma Asamoah Gyan. Ebra na obobo no. Na unim time a man for be spending no ewo a friends stadium ho no. Se na ball no be start 4 p.m. a. Munim se na ebitimi ba ho anopa. Wentimi amaye video da anka nkyere Ghanaians se mo ba be hwebo na emamo mantem. Amanfo timi ba betena ho stadium ho ensuo abuo mu in the open field. Ghana ye stadiums no dodo na no ye nkata so Kumasi ne Accra de yi eye open stadium. Amanfo timi ba betena ho ensuo obuo mu na omugu ho a still a omu twen se ye bepon ansa na omakofie just for football. Eno de ye nua be manya Asamoah Gyan wa meka nsem bia amfa ho. But ono de na adwene kire ne se asoe no o kwa akotena ho 3 hours na and as a 4 hours na edos no do. He doesn't know the importance of church. Now, this is why now I thank God for the life of somebody like Pastor Mensah Otabela. Or try say or some of these teachings and some of these messages ebeba asofo bi mu entina se na omo pese omo story tia no, especially majority a omo the prophetic circles no, any the apostolic circles no. They don't seem to agree with the message now. Pastor Mensah Otabela spread it across the world. Say, they seem to have a problem with that. I don't have a problem with that at all. We must correct things. We must restore the image of the church. And yes, sir, Obi, a time is going to come up. People wouldn't want to go to church. They wouldn't see the need of going to sit down in a church building for 3 hours, for 4 hours. They don't see the need. You see, these are coming from probably sincere, honest people. I think somebody like Asamoah Gyan, I cannot say or you're dishonest, say he has an evil motive about the church. I can't say that. But he is a carnal person. He is a worldly person. Now, a worldly thought. And we have to restore the image of the church. And then Obiko sorry na Okoma offering and I say Okoma tighter. Among for say they don't understand why I say Obi dini sika ekwa sorry edikoma a friend say also for and I say sorry say yam for more sorry juma. But this same person will go to a nightclub. This same person will go to a nightclub and the nightclub is not free. Okonswa obesan akoto enema we enama nom any ade enya hangover the following day. But they don't see any problem with that. But Obi kwa sorry dia, then they have to come up with comments and this and that. And I want to say some of these things to you. If you're a Christian, I want to tell you, who do you love most? Is it your flesh? And I say your own will? And I say you love Jesus. And if you love Jesus, do you want to promote Jesus? Do you want to defend Jesus? These are some of the things now we all have to stand up and defend. It is one of the reasons in me created this YouTube channel. I'm a Christian. I love Jesus Christ. I live in Canada. But I believe that we must explain things to people. We must defend our faith, the Christian faith. Because if we don't do that now, we are and not all of them are bad. Like I'm saying, some of them are very honest and sincere. But they are sincerely wrong. You see, you can be sincere and be sincerely wrong. You can be honest and be honestly wrong. Asamoah Gyan is sincere probably, but he is sincerely wrong. We have to stand up and defend our faith in a very respectful way. And you know, let's say obi be comment our page so amesramo emom didi natem when he did a Christopher any as of attempt he gave a respectful submission. And you know, let us also respond accordingly, respectfully. And you know, the person make nyina say adana ebi eko ewiase eko donatima house of folk eko donatima me fan say Asante kotokwa. People don't have a problem with that, but or the commerce sorry people have a problem with it. Obi eko asore dem akwa kotena ho etie nyame asema omo say eno de ewa, but amanfo omo ko club no omo timi ko free enwumre kopem ahomache, but eno de people don't have a problem with that. People are okay with that. Ebimu timi ko friends the pub kotena ho anadwuni nyina, people don't have a problem with that. But asore no obi a week ni nyina onko asore da o tama odi benya kwa asore ya ni Sunday no na se wako Sunday no na osofo e ka nyame asema kirewa na eno nti no ebeche kakra. People have a problem with that. And we have to stand up and defend our faith. Hold on to your faith. Jidiena ukutemu no. Some people died and they handed it over to us. We have to defend it in our time. Whichever small way you can, defend it in a very respectful way. Our religion, we don't use the sword. People died for this faith. People died, and a time is going to come people will not feel the need and the joy to go to church, especially near most pastors and some prophets mo ewa Ghana. Some of them enkwata sem nkwana ebi mu ye. God bless omo ye nyamedwuma no ewo nokre ene honhom emu. God bless those kind of men of God. God bless them. God bless them. Na dodo na no they are fakes. Na omo nye fake nso a omama wiase ne sika ene honam akono edi omukan. Enti enei sofo eye bibia na abeto abonten na spread te say me find the petroleum fire and as a petrol fire obia betibi enso he say obi foforo bi ekokoye dia nobody will hear about it na no bi na me he social media no so na Muslim abaya bi na ne boyfriend no so Muslim na ne boyfriend no and the friends afra abaya yi etwitwa abaya ye kuno say omodi ne kwakoji skedro. How many people talked about that? People didn't talk about that. As we say, Christopher and a yes idea we a Christopher mema and a yes idea we editia Christo ni ba neka Ghana nyina beti. Also for ba edika ekobo obi ekuna I don't support at the corona wire no. But ebani say na so for ba edika kobo obi kunu dia. Na ye topic ewo Ghana de obia ekabi. And so omu drive carelessly omudi kumunipa ewo Ghana no. Road accidents are AC ewo Ghana because of reckless careless driving of many people no. Ye kaya yentimi kan ewo Ghana ha. And so people don't care about that. Na me who we now na me ayamiya and I feel like I have a cause to defend. I have a reason to stand up for my religion and for my faith. That is why I created this channel. And if you're a Christian, I want you to subscribe to my channel. This is a place we want to build together and learn something together. I don't know everything, and that is why I want you to drop your comment. If you tell me be free, so drop your comment. Mama yenyi atemidiem free. I think I said that we can. You know, Asamoah Gyan one can because he doesn't respect people. And you know, yamfa nyansa enyina no, yamfa odo any ojo enyina no. Ema yamfa atemidie and I say bibi atisa. And you know, that is what I want to say. Let us stand up and defend our tribe. Whichever way, preach the gospel. Maybe be the opportunity to stand up and defend it. Turn into an apologetic person. Defend your faith. Defend the Christian faith. Because you defend your time here. They defended it in their time. 300 years ago, 400 years ago, 2,000 years ago. Some of them, they died. Some of them, by way of defending it, they died. They were killed. They were given to lions as lunch. Fed to lions. We have to defend our faith. And you know, so obi beka sim say ya na yo Christo ni na wotia emfa no trasa emfa no watrasa. Come out and come and defend your faith. Come and defend Christ. Don't defend your denomination. Most of you, the problems are more what he said. You are quick to defend your denomination. You are quick to defend your pastor. I am an Assemblies of God person, but I don't care about Assemblies of God or Pentecost or anything. When it comes to the church, I defend the church. Any pastor be a or yeah, genuine man of God about Jesus Christ in spirit and in truth. No, he is my pastor, he is my prophet. Whether I know him or not is inconsequential. I have to stand up and defend the Christian faith. And you know, that is what I want to say. Mama yama the image yawo ewo Christosumo no. Let us restore the image. Mama yenya bone no ye yenti ye bone ne so. Ana say yenya ye. Mama yenya niema oma omo wiase no hu a ombeka say na ne me kwa asore mpo akwa akopede yi. Anye sa nka yenu bema Asamoah Gyan yawo wonte amanfo timi kotra stadium se ye hwew. Na etoda krompa wonya penalty a no abo asai no. Eno mpo no amanfo timi kotra se ye hwew. Yetimi kotra TV ho se ye hwe everyone Blackstars. Eno de yenu bema Asamoah Gyan o meka se adentina ye tena TV ho eche se ye de hwe Blackstars match. Mi ho ano so ye kwa ne yakoshe omo. And that is what I have to say. Already shall say we have time. Etimi a video na drop your comment so na intimi sua there together. When so I want to thank you in advance. Thank you very much.
And our service no woman in your short service. Quality, not quantity. Say yes short. Obia beba sorry. Who shorter? Obia beba sorry. So I'm pleading to all the pastors and Obia our country bia and say sorry no mama near short we are shorter quality spiritual quality ubet me ye bibia within 1 hour 30 minutes. Eba is Apple, obi crap or sorry on him say, sorry with the enche. Obeba, that is where you get members to come listen to the wisdom. But yeah, too much very boring. Once a video na me no kasa no crampo no yeah boring. It's my mom quality song. My mom quality song na be free. No one's obi anya bibia kofi. That's it. Nti me penyum a ebe wi na aye fe. That's how it is. You don't have to bore the audience and other church members. Minister we go for pay we pa. Nti me bo we na me dey come bye bye. Let's go. Just a bell.